Hi friends, and welcome to day 3 of introductions for Mama Elephant's October 2025 release. Today we are introducing Holiday Reading. This stamp set includes 11 different sentiments that go well with a Christmas theme but also a reading theme. As an avid reader, I collect all the different sets that Mama Elephant has that are reading and book themed. I absolutely adore this creative cut set, which is called Turn the Page. I want to combine it with one of the bows from the Take a Bow stamp set that was released last month. This way I can determine the perfect placement for my 2 images from the Book Club stamp set. Next, I'm showing you how I color the sweet little bunny and the bear reading their holiday books. I try to show all the Copic color numbers that I use, but if you can't see, I'm also including them in the description below. I'm drawing in some pieces of the little rabbit's foot because I wanted to balance it out a little with the way that the bear's feet look. I'm using the B32 blue marker to add some shadow underneath my images. And I'm using the B000 to fade it out a little towards the edges. And of course I add some white gel pen highlights. I'm using some dye ink to color my bow from the Take a Bow set. I colored the larger die that is included in the Turn the Page set with some Copic marker, and I'm adding my stamped panel over top. I adhere my red bow with some liquid glue. Next, we can stamp our holiday reading sentiment. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next day of introductions. This release is available from the 15th of October.